I want to do a song. It's a very pretty song. Because this is a night about thought and a night about giving. And like I said before, there's a lot of love in this room. So I want to do a song that's one of my favorites. It's called Hallelujah. Now I've heard there was a secret chord and David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Now, young lady, if those were for raffle tickets, the raffle tickets are over there for the tip jug. You're in the right place. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show it to me, do you? And remember when I moved and you, the holy dove, was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You say I took the name in vain, but I don't even know the name. But if I did, well, really, what's it to you? There's a blaze of light in every word. It doesn't matter what you heard. The holy or the broken, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I did my best, but it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I told the truth, I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I'd stand before the Lord of song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, 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 Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.